Say cheese! Our garden adventure begins right here, together.
Today, I'm going to show you how I created this amazing English story completely with the help of 100% free AI tools. As you can see on your screen, these are the final generated scenes, and in this video, I'll teach you step by step how you can create the exact same type of story without spending a single dollar. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, open YouTube and search for the channel called Family Story English Views. This channel currently has 14.6K subscribers and has uploaded only 18 videos. That's absolutely incredible. Now, if we talk about earnings, this channel is fully monetized and is estimated to generate around 5.2K per month. If we look at their top-performing videos, some have crossed 200K views, while many others have exceeded 100K views. This clearly shows the massive potential of this niche. Take some time to explore their content. Every video is highly engaging, emotionally driven, and beautifully structured. This is a slow English story channel, where viewers can improve their English skills while enjoying meaningful and motivational stories. The reason this content performs so well is because it provides real value. Students, beginners, and people who want to improve their English can learn naturally through storytelling. One thing I personally love about these videos is that every story includes characters, family interactions, emotions, and realistic scenes. These elements keep viewers engaged from beginning to end. Now let me show you the secret behind creating these stories. I have already prepared a powerful master prompt for you. You can find it in the first link in my video description. This master prompt includes everything you need: character reference prompts, image prompts, video prompts, voiceovers, scene-by-scene instructions, complete story structure. You don't need to do any hard work. Simply copy the entire prompt and follow along with me. Now, instead of using ChatGPT today, we are going to use another powerful AI tool called Claude AI. As many of you already know, Claude AI has become extremely popular recently because of its powerful prompt generation capabilities. Simply visit Claude AI and sign in using your Google account or any available login method. Once you're inside Claude, paste the master prompt into the chat box and click Generate. Now let me show you the results. Boom! Claude AI immediately generates a complete character reference prompt. This is extremely important because if you use the same character reference in every scene, your characters will remain consistent throughout the entire story. After that, Claude generates Scene 1, Scene 2, Scene 3, and so on, including image prompts, video prompts, and voiceovers for each scene. In just a few moments, Claude can generate a complete 10-scene story package ready for production. Now here's an additional trick. I copy the character reference prompt and simply ask Claude, please add this character reference prompt to every scene. And just like that, boom! Claude automatically inserts the character reference into every single scene prompt. This solves one of the biggest problems creators face: inconsistent characters. Many people struggle because their characters keep changing from scene to scene. But when you include the same character reference in every prompt, the AI understands exactly what to generate, resulting in perfectly consistent characters. Now let's move to image generation. For this step, we will use Flow AI. Open Flow AI, create a new project, and select Nano Banana 2 as your image model. I personally use a 16:9 aspect ratio because I'm creating a cinematic storytelling video. Now I simply copy the first image prompt, paste it into Flow AI, and click Generate. After a few seconds, boom! Look at this amazing 3D HD quality image. The level of detail, lighting, character design, and overall quality is absolutely stunning. Now I copy the second prompt, paste it, and generate again. And once again, boom! Another incredible result. The best part is that the characters remain consistent across both images. That is exactly what we want in a professional storytelling video. Now I continue generating Scene 3, Scene 4, Scene 5, and all remaining scenes one by one. After generating all the prompts, boom! All of my story scenes are now ready. As you can see, every scene looks highly engaging, cinematic, and professional. The image quality remains consistent throughout the entire story. The characters maintain the same appearance across all scenes. The lighting, emotions, environments, and storytelling elements all work together beautifully. Okay, viewers, now let's move on to the video generation process. For the first scene, I simply select my first generated image. Then I go back to Claude AI and copy the voiceover script that was generated for that specific scene. After that, I return to Flow AI, upload my image, paste the voiceover into the caption section, and add a simple instruction like Add Animation. Once everything is ready, I click on the Generate button. As you can see, my first video has now started generating. At this stage, all you need is a little patience. Just wait for a few moments while the AI processes everything. And just boom! My first video is now ready. Take a look at this result. The animation looks smooth, the character movements are natural, and the voiceover is perfectly synchronized with the scene. This is exactly the type of quality we want for professional storytelling videos. Honestly, the result is absolutely amazing. I simply select my second image, go back to Claude AI, copy the second scene's voiceover, paste it into Flow AI, and click Generate once again, after waiting for a few moments. Boom! My second video is also ready, and once again, the result is incredible. The character remains consistent, the animations look professional, and the overall storytelling quality is excellent. Now I continue the exact same process for all remaining scenes. I select Scene 3, Scene 4, Scene 5, and all the other generated images one by one. For each scene, I copy the corresponding voiceover from Claude AI, paste it into Flow AI, and generate the video. After completing all the scenes and waiting for the generation process to finish, boom, all of my story videos are now ready. And the final results are right in front of you. You can clearly see that Flow AI is not only amazing for image generation, but it is also incredibly powerful for video creation. Today, I have practically proven this by showing you the complete workflow from start to finish, and as you can see, the prompts generated by Claude AI also produce outstanding results. For editing, simply open CapCut. Once CapCut is open, import all of your generated videos into a new project. After importing them, arrange all the scenes in the correct sequence according to your story. Make sure every scene flows naturally into the next one to maintain viewer engagement. If your generated videos contain any watermark or logo, simply select all clips and use the scale option to zoom in slightly and remove the unwanted logo from the screen. It's a very quick and easy method. If you want to add subtitles, simply use CapCut's Auto Captions feature. CapCut will automatically generate captions for your entire video within a few moments. However, for today's tutorial, I mainly wanted to show you the easiest way to remove logos and prepare your video for uploading. Now, as you can see, my final story video is completely ready. Everything has been arranged properly. The scenes are connected, the voiceovers are synchronized, the animations look smooth, and the overall video looks professional and engaging. Now I simply click on Export and save the final video. And just look at this final result. It looks absolutely fantastic. I truly hope you enjoyed today's tutorial and found it helpful. In this video, I showed you how to create a complete English story channel using 100% free AI tools. From finding the niche, generating prompts, creating consistent characters, generating images, creating videos, and finally editing everything inside CapCut. I covered the entire process step by step. I'll see you in the next video with another powerful AI idea. Until then, take care and goodbye.